When you're gonna print first time with our Sparkle Red PLA glitter, you will see that gold particles are gathering the most on the bottom, on the first layer. So you will think maybe it's real gold. Well, unfortunately not, but this is a good idea for the next filament. Some people like to print with classic colors, like for example this Holland Red Pastel PLA from Spectrum Filaments. Quite minimalistic and clean color, right? Yes, I agree, it's pretty good. But some people like to get something more flashy and something more shiny. So we have this series of PLA with glitter. It's a little bit transparent, and of course the same physics apply to this PLA. If you print faster and colder, it's gonna be more matte. If you print slower and hotter, it's gonna be more shiny. You can find a video about it in the description of this video. Of course, just like link to the filament, to the shop and to the 3D models. Today I have small amount of models to just showcase how the PLA glitter looks like in real life. The first model is this small bubble. I printed it using the brim on the inside, so as you can see the speed was quite fast and temperature was quite low, and we have this little bit matte effect. Of course it's transparent enough with 2 walls or 3 walls to get light go through it. If you're gonna put it on your Christmas tree and put some lights inside it, it's gonna be looking even better. Talking about bubbles and other decorations, we have also this small snowflakes. It was super easy to print, super fast, and just little material went to it. So if you're looking for inspiration, just find the model in the description. Again, my favorite model, the pine tree. This is the nicest 3D model of pine tree and Christmas tree, I think, for me. And the glitter is gathering on the outside of the edges on this filament, and you can see this small aura around the tree that is gold, but the whole tree is red. It's blending perfectly, and this effect is just stunning. I love it, really. You can see on this napkin holder that the particles are gathering on the first layer very well. So if you want to get this effect most visible, you just print everything on the first layer to be visible, and you slow down the speed, putting more temperature, and everything will be shiny, 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 shiny. But if you want to get a little bit more crazy with the glitter, you can amplify this effect using holographic build plate, just like this one. So those build plates are etched with special angles to get light refracted in different directions, angles, to get this holographic effect. So in that case, you can see that we have glitter, and also we have this night star sky star effect around. It's called like that, and it's a lot of them. It's crazy good looking, in my opinion. Maybe for some it's too much, but some people just love stuff like that. I think I am the one of them. And of course, if you want to step up with your 3D printing game and you want to offer something more for the customers, this is the way to go. It's even more shiny due to the smooth build plate and also the holographic effect, but those glitters are fitting there just perfectly. Let's see our other 3D models which are also napkin holders, but the small ones. You can put the napkins inside and put it on the plate or put it on the table, and it looks super cute because we have Santa, we have pine tree, we have gift box, and we have this moose or reindeer, whatever you want. If you want to go a little bit more classic, you can just go with the green, matte green, and print it with the classic minimalistic way. It's also looking super good. If you want to buy this filament, just go to our description and you can find the link to this filament there. And if you want to get 10% discount off everything we have, just use our code SPECTRUMYT10. This code also combines with other promotions and discounts, so try to find the best deal you can. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I really appreciate it. You can leave the comment, you can subscribe, and you can like this video if you want. And if you don't subscribe to our channel, remember to do that. You're not gonna miss anything else. Thank you and bye.